Welcome to growing your own food in your own backyard. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the like button. It is harvest time and my arugula lettuce is prolific and I may be a little overdue with harvesting it. And somehow my carrots was seeded along with this harvest, but that's okay. So right now I need to start getting this lettuce harvest. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this lettuce back. And I wanna be sure I don't cut. Yeah, see, this lettuce is, wow. And I got my carrots in with this too. Yeah, I'm way overdue cutting this lettuce. I should have been harvesting this lettuce weeks ago, but you know what? Got busy, but it's not too late. I can still harvest it now. So this is what I have. This is what I've harvested. So we have dinner for tonight. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to come in this pot and just kind of clean it up. Try to make some room for my carrots, maybe sow a little more carrot seeds. But other than that, I have harvested, got it out of the way. It was way overdue. I was late getting this thing harvested, but that's okay. I can't wait to wash and have salad for dinner and clean this container up and maybe think twice about whether I want to continue harvesting the lettuce or maybe add more carrots since it's hot, the weather's hot, and I don't want the lettuce to start bolting, so I'll probably just go ahead and clean this pot out and go ahead and just sow more carrot seeds.